Good evening, friends. Myself, Dr. Debashish Mukherjee. I have worked as a senior research fellow in Central Council for Research in Homeopathy and Central Institute of Psychiatry. Today, I am going to discuss about Antim Crud or Antimonium Crudum. The first stage of a drug which you should know is the physiological action. The physiological action of Antim Crud mostly concentrates on stomach or digestive system. You will find that there is milky white coating of the tongue. You will find that person in whom Antim Crud is indicated, there is nausea, vomiting, and loss of taste. And there would be a milky white coating of the tongue as if the tongue has been whitewashed. And you will find that there is lots of callosities and bunions, corns, and everything we will find under Antim Crud. So let us start a case which was cured by great Dr. Robin Murphy, one of our greatest homeopath who lived during our century, and it is very unfortunate that he died about 2 years ago. Dr. Robin Murphy, sir, has illustrated a case in which he was called upon to treat a case of flu with profuse vomiting, diarrhea, and the patient was consulted. A large number of allopathic doctors were called in, and they have treated that case. And after that, many homeopaths were also called, and all of them failed. When Dr. Robin Murphy entered in that particular situation, he saw the tongue and it was milky white coating. On the basis of milky white coating of the tongue, Dr. Robin Murphy prescribed Antim Crud. And in a very short time, the patient became well. The vomiting ceased, the fever vanished, and the patient became well. So, the red line symptom of Antim Crud is that there should be milky white coating of the tongue. Another symptom which Dr. Robin Murphy states in his Materia Medica, that there were many callosities or corns in both the hands of a person. He was 17 years old and he was consulted, and he prescribed Antim Crud, and after a short time, all corns vanished. Antim Crud has a very good effect on the Antim Crud is a very good medicine for psychiatric diseases also. I'd like to relate a case which I have seen to be improved under Antim Crud. There was a case in which the patient was suffering from some psychiatric disease. I don't know the actual diagnosis, but the patient used to be very much furious and very much peevish during new moon. During full moon. During full moon, the patient used to be very peevish, anxious, and he would quarrel with everybody in the home, and the people will face lots of problem. On the basis of all these symptoms, Antim Crud was prescribed by one of the senior doctors, and the patient became all right. So, Antim Crud has a profound effect on mental also. In Antim Crud, you will find that the patient is always irritable, peevish, and does not want to be talked at. It is commonly indicated in young children. You will find that the children are very much peevish, irritable. If they cannot be consoled, you cannot satisfy them. They will ask for many things, and if they are offered, they are not at all satisfied with that. And on the basis of all these symptoms, if you prescribe few doses of Antim Crud within a short span of time, you will see that there is a great change of behavior in that particular kid. So, the next most important symptoms which Antim Crud has is on skin. Skin, we have already discussed about skin. It has callosities and corns and all types of eruptions and all that. Those who wear tight shoes and all, you will find that wearing tight shoes and person having lots of ponds, and so he is unable to walk, and there is pain in the soles and all. In rheumatic cases also, you can prescribe Antim Crud very well with a very good result. But at the same time, you have to see that there should be milky white coating of the tongue, and mental generals should also match the patient. Thank you. Thanks for watching. I hope you understand Antim Crud well.